What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I am really excited because this video is sponsored by Elmer's. Again, I am working with Elmer's and I just love it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool and huge slime bubble. If you haven't heard yet, Elmer's is hosting a really cool slime competition called the Ooey Gluey Slime Games, and the first two categories just finished and now we're on to the next two categories. The Ooey Gluey Slime Games is a really cool slime competition hosted by Elmer's for you all at home to share your most creative and out of this world slime recipe. The first two categories are officially over, so we are moving on to the next two categories, which is the most unique slime art and the biggest slime bubble. Of course, Elmer's is picking a first, second, and third place winner for each of the categories, and then the first place winners of each of the categories get to face off against each other to see who is the Ooey Gluey Slime Game champion. And y'all, you can possibly win some really cool prizes, such as a video collab with my friend and DIY slime YouTuber Nicole Jacqueline. I love her so much. Elmer's is being so generous with the prizes and you all are going to be shook. I have worked with Elmer's on two other videos, so if you'd like to see those videos, you can just click the link that is up here and it'll take you right to those videos. I am just so excited for the second wave of these slime games. It's going to be epic. The first two categories had amazing submissions and you honestly left the world shook. So I'm so excited for the next two categories. And I also just want to say a really quick congratulations to the two first place winners from the first two categories. You are now in the running to be the Ooey Gluey Slime Games champion.
That is wild.
So one of the next categories is going to be the biggest slime bubble. So I thought I would show you all how to kind of make a slime that produces really big bubbles, just to kind of help you out if you need some inspiration for the Ooey Gluey Slime Games. I got you. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here and having your post notifications on and being super duper active. You're amazing. If you would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed because it is for my unicorns only. Also, make sure you have your post notifications on and comment down below using hashtag unicornfam. Alrighty y'all, I am super excited to show you all how to make a really big slime bubble, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so to start the slime, I'm going to go ahead and empty some Elmer's school glue into a bowl here, and I'm just going to dump the entire thing. I actually made a lot more of this in the end, but you know, just showing you how to make it real quick. And then to my glue, I'm going to add just a couple pumps of lotion, and this is definitely not necessary. You don't have to do that. I'm just doing that because I normally like to add lotion or incorporate it somehow into my slime. And then I'm going to go ahead and just mix that together with the glue just until it's well combined, and then we can go ahead and activate it. Now to activate, of course, I am going to use Elmer's Magical Liquid, but you can use other activators like contact lens solution and baking soda would work perfect for this as well, and it is very kid friendly, so you could totally use that. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in a little bit at a time. Basically, it works just like a regular slime activator. You just add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it until your slime forms. Now, if you want to get some huge slime bubbles out of this slime, you're going to have to over-activate your slime, so you need to add a lot more activator than you normally would. You want it to be a little bit stiff, however, you don't want it to be too stiff to where you can't stretch it. So you see here, this is how mine came out. It is a little bit stretchy, however, it's not the stretchiest, and it actually kind of rips a little bit. That is exactly what you want, because the thicker you make your slime, the better the bubbles will form and will stay. Now we have our slime made. I went ahead and made a big batch of this and dyed it blue, and I'm going to show you with the help of my uncle and my brother. Also, my aunt is in a couple of these clips as well. I'm going to show you how we made the big slime bubble. It definitely takes a little bit of practice. We definitely did not get it on the first try, as you see here. We basically just tried stretching it together, just incorporating air by like picking it up and down and then slamming it on the table, and it made some really cool slime bubbles, and they were actually pretty big.
Oh, we need to measure it.
Go for it. Oh, wait, let me take the thumbnail real quick. Wait, move.
No, it's
dang it. Oh, that one's good. Wait, thumbnail.
Oh, that was potential for you.
Yeah.
That would be a big one.
Holy cow.
Just grab it.
Also, really quick shout out to my mom for being behind camera number 2. Thanks, mommy. Oh, well, it was. Oh, look, it's jiggling. That's cool. That's crazy. Let it jiggle. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Don't forget, the next two categories are the most unique slime art and the biggest slime bubble, and submissions are now open for both of those categories, so head over to the link down in the description box below. Or of course, you can follow the link on the screen here to go ahead and submit for the Ooey Gluey Slime Games. Who knows, you could be the next Ooey Gluey Slime Games champion. Also, y'all, if you do enter, do not forget to let everyone know that they can vote for you. Ask your friends, ask your family, ask their friends, ask their family. Honestly, just share it with the world. You can also share it with hashtag OG Slime Games so that more people can see your submission. And through the power of the hashtag, you will get a lot more votes that way, I promise you. As always, before submitting, make sure you ask a parent or guardian if you can submit, and also take a look at the rules with them. They are on Elmer's website. You can head over to the link down in the description box below to do that. And of course, if you'd like any more information on the Ooey Gluey Slime Games, make sure you head over to Elmer's on Instagram at Elmer's Products, or if you want some information on the products that I used in today's video, then head over to elmers.com. It's here on the screen or in the description box. I am so excited to see all the submissions for the next two categories. The first two categories did amazing. You all crushed it, and it was so much fun. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me to help your boy out. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then why? It's the end of the video. Just click subscribe down below. It's super easy. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!